Ever felt overwhelmed trying to track your income in Xero? You're not alone. Setting up earnings correctly is crucial for accurate financial reporting and smooth tax filing. But with Xero's many features, it can be confusing to know where to begin. In this video, we'll break down the process step by step, from creating income accounts to recording sales invoices. We'll cover key concepts like tracking different income streams, understanding tax rates, and using Xero's powerful reporting tools to gain valuable insights into your business's performance. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating Xero's earnings features and have the knowledge to accurately track your income and make informed business decisions. 1. Understanding income accounts, the foundation. Before we dive into Xero, let's clarify the concept of income accounts. These are the buckets where you categorize all the money your business earns. Think of it this way. If your business sells products, you'll have an income sales account. If you offer services, you'll have an income services account. You can even create separate accounts for different product lines or services, like income, web design, or income, photography. These accounts are crucial for accurate financial reporting. They allow you to see how much revenue each product or service generates and identify your top performers. 2. Setting up income accounts in Xero, a step-by-step guide. Now let's get hands-on with Xero. 1. Navigate to the chart of accounts. This is where you define all the accounts your business uses. You can usually find it under the Accounting tab. 2. Create a new account. Click Add Account and select Income from the Account Type dropdown. 3. Name your account. Give it a clear and descriptive name, like Income Product Sales or Income Consulting Fees. 4. Set the tracking categories, optional if you want to track income by different dimensions, e.g., project, customer, sales region. You can set up tracking categories within the account. 5. Save the account. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. Repeat these steps for each type of income your business generates. For example, if you sell both products and services, you'll need separate income accounts for each. 3. Recording sales invoices. Bringing income to life. Now that you have your income accounts set up, it's time to start recording your sales. 1. Create a new invoice. Go to the Sales tab and click Create Invoice. 2. Add customer details. Enter the customer's name, contact information, and shipping address. 3. Add invoice items. In the Item field, enter the product or service name. Specify the quantity and unit price. Select the appropriate income account from the drop-down menu. If you're using tracking categories, select the relevant category for each item. 4. Calculate tax. Xero can automatically calculate and apply the appropriate tax rate based on your settings and the customer's location. 5. Review and send. Double-check all the information and click Save and Send. Xero will then generate a professional-looking invoice that you can send to your customer via email. Once the customer pays the invoice, you can record the payment in Xero. 4. Tracking different income streams. Keeping your records organized. Many businesses generate income from various sources. Here are some common examples: product sales, physical goods, digital downloads, subscriptions, service revenue, consulting, freelance work, professional services, rental income, property rentals, equipment rentals, interest income, interest earned on bank accounts or investments, other income, donations, royalties, affiliate commissions. For each income stream, create a separate income account in Xero. This allows you to easily track the performance of each revenue source and identify areas for growth. 5. Understanding tax rates. Ensuring compliance. Accurately tracking tax rates is crucial for compliance and accurate financial reporting. Sales tax. If your business is subject to sales tax, ensure the correct tax rates are applied to each invoice. Xero can help you manage sales tax by automatically calculating and applying the appropriate rates based on your settings and the customer's location. Income tax. While Xero doesn't calculate income tax directly, it provides the necessary data for your accountant to prepare your tax returns. It's essential to stay updated on any changes to tax laws and regulations to ensure compliance. 6. Leveraging Xero's reporting tools. Gaining valuable insights. Xero offers powerful reporting tools that provide valuable insights into your business's financial performance. Profit and loss report. This report shows your business's income and expenses over a specific period, giving you a clear picture of your profitability. Sales summary report. This report provides a summary of your sales activity, including the total amount of sales, the number of invoices issued, and the average invoice value. Aged receivables report. This report shows you which invoices are overdue, helping you manage cash flow and minimize late payments. By analyzing these reports, you can identify trends, track your progress towards your financial goals, and make informed business decisions. 7. Tips for optimizing your earnings tracking in Xero. Use tracking categories effectively. Tracking categories can provide valuable insights into your business performance. For example, you can track sales by project, customer, or sales region. Reconcile your bank accounts regularly. Reconciling your bank accounts with Xero ensures that your financial records are accurate and up-to-date. Stay organized. Keep your invoices and receipts organized to ensure accurate and efficient data entry in Xero. Utilize Xero's mobile app. The Xero mobile app allows you to access your accounts and record transactions on the go. 8. Troubleshooting common issues. My income accounts aren't showing up on my reports. Ensure that you have selected the correct income accounts in your report settings. I'm having trouble recording a specific type of income. Consult the Xero Help Center or contact Xero support for assistance. I'm not sure which tax rates to apply. Consult a tax professional or use Xero's tax resources to determine the correct tax rates for your business. 9. Advanced Xero features for earnings tracking. Xero projects. If you work on projects, Xero projects can help you track project costs and revenue and generate detailed project reports. Xero subscriptions. If you offer subscription-based services, Xero subscriptions can help you manage recurring invoices and track subscription revenue. Xero payroll. If you have employees, Xero payroll can help you manage payroll, calculate taxes, and track employee earnings. Setting up earnings in Xero might seem daunting at first, but with a systematic approach and a clear understanding of the key concepts, you can easily master this crucial aspect of your accounting. By accurately tracking your income and leveraging Xero's powerful reporting tools, you can gain valuable insights into your business's financial performance, make informed decisions, and achieve your business goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.